Hey everyone, welcome back to my reviews. And today it's gonna be on my favorite Pixar movie from my childhood. That is Cars. Came out in 2006. So place upon is lightning. There was a three-way tie, and McQueen goes to California, and then Lightning can get lost and go cause a disaster. And then then to fix the road. And then McQueen Mirror goes tractor tipping, and then paint job, the cruising one, and the surveyors found one. And then the McQueen just say, honestly, I kind of like this movie from my childhood. Yeah, this the second movie was back in my childhood days. I did see a dirt. Wish I had Cars 3 on DVD. So let's talk about the characters. So Lightning's got to be one of my favorite Pixar characters ever. And honestly, I feel bad for him getting crashed in Cars 3, but it's a good thing he got a new paint job cars on the road. And for Mater, he's funny, and all the rest of the characters are great. Except for Chick Hits. Man, I did hate this character. Dude. Yeah, I did make a ground review out Chick Hits 4 times. The new one's coming soon. Fingers crossed for them. The animation, well, it did a great job for the animation. Storyboard were awesome. The music, catchy. And the voice did a great job. But this movie was part of my childhood. Alright. Yeah. And there was a sequel, of course. They got flopped at the box office because of this tow truck being annoying, which I felt bad. Well, it's a good thing I got a Cars 2 DVD back in my childhood days, and it's a good thing I bring back my childhood. I just found Cars 2 on DVD in Goodwill. Yeah, I can't believe my childhood days are from. Third movie I did see in 2017. Yeah, it was good. Man, I wish I could have a DVD copy. And then there's Cars on the Road, which I did watch all the episodes. I wish there's second season. Yeah, I did collect a lot of Cars diecast vehicles ever since I began my collection in between 2017 and 18. Or my childhood days. So, the only character I hate is Chick Hits, but not only Chick Hits, but also characters that film, especially Sternly, Jackson Storm, the Grand Aether, Professor C, some Miles Exo, etc. But not Miss Fritter. So, there's a Planes movie which got flopped at the box office. I felt bad for them. So, anyways, thank you for watching, and goodbye.